Radio, video. Movie with a suitcase. You're living in a disco. Forget about the rat race. Let's do the milkshake and selling like a hotcake. Try some, buy some, beat by both. Talk about pop music. Talk about pop music. I wanna dedicate it. Everybody made it. Infiltrate it. Activate it. New York, London, Paris, Munich. Everybody talk about pop music. Talk about pop music. Talk about pop music. Pop music. Pop music. Singing in the subway. Shuffle with a shoe shine. Makes me a Molotov. I'm on the headline. Wanna be a gunslinger, don't be a rock singer. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, which way you wanna go? Talk about.
All right, and we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy, and we're down here at the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. So you've been off enjoying the beach all day, and you've got a hankering for some classic beach fare. Well, right here on the boardwalk, you've got a plethora of options. What do they taste like? Is it just like cereal?
Oh my god, wanna try it?
Oh my god.
They're called, what did you call it? They taste like Fruity Pebbles. Or Fruit Loops.
Like tricks.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Nice.
They're just really cold.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Of course.
I just got a Dragon Ball. So coming from Maryland, there is essentially one beach snack. The Boardwalk Fry. Hot. I sure like it. It's one of the best parts of getting the boardwalk fries is feeding the pigeons. Look at this. Fun Plaza got a brand new sign. Recently replaced, hand painted by a local out of Conway. How cool is that? And once you're thoroughly salted and vinegared, the sweet tooth is bound to break out. Now there's lots of options for ice cream out here on the boardwalk, but when I'm in the mood for ice cream, I like to do it old school. Now these days, the old-fashioned ice cream parlor is becoming about as scarce as your lunch counters and your automats. So that's why, whenever I get the chance, I come over here to Kirk's. They even have fresh made whipped cream. Made it right in front of me. So good. So I don't even know, I might be the last generation that like actually went to old fashioned ice cream parlors. And you get like a giant ice cream sundae for your birthday, that kind of thing.
Homer! Relax, he's gorging. Okay, maybe not.
But this place, man. The wood paneling, the old lamps. Old advertisements, the video games. And the ice cream is so good. This strawberry ice cream. So summer's halfway over, and you're probably thinking to yourself, well, that does it for fun in Myrtle Beach.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time. My girl's name is Sonora. I tell you, friends, I adore her. And when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body on time. Whoop. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Whoop. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora, work it all the time.
I don't know what I'm doing more than half of the time.
When the party is over and the laughter is through,
This has been a Spinestead and Eater production.